Hey, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the rib on a patio umbrella. There's really two ribs that you can replace. There's the longer ribs or there's the shorter support rib. So I'm going to show you how to do each of them. There are really two hubs that the ribs connect to on the umbrella. There's the lower hub, which is near the light, and then there's the upper hub, which is near the upper of the umbrella. This video is going to focus on the lower hub. And then I'll have another video that shows you how to do it on the upper hub too. So if we're going to replace a rib into the lower hub here, say we'll work on this rib right here. So what we're going to do first is we're going to detach this rib from the longer rib. So we're just going to loosen up two screws on the bracket. There's one screw on this side and then one on the other. So we're just going to quickly remove those. That'll let us lift up that smaller rib. So we've got the two screws out. That piece is just going to pop right out. I'm actually going to fold this all the way up. Fold it all the way back just to get it out of the way. So we've got this small rib right here. If you look at the lower hub here, there's two pieces to the lower hub. This is the upper portion and the lower portion. There's four screws that hold the upper hub together. So if you can come along to this side, I'm going to remove the light globe. So there's four screws, 1, 2, 3, and then a fourth one underneath. Not sure if you can see that one. So the hub is held together with the screw. There's a nut on this side. So when you're loosening up that screw, you want to loosen it up enough where it's loose to get the rib out, but not loose enough where that nut's going to fall off. So I find that about 3 to 5 turns with the screwdriver is really about all you need. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 turns. Alright, so if you can kind of see the hub here, if I grab a flathead screwdriver, I can kind of pry the upper hub apart a little bit. So that's what you kind of want to do. You want to be able to have the upper hub a little bit of a gap in there. So now, what holds this rib in place? There's a little pin that is stuck through a hole in the end of the rib, and that is held in place in the lower hub. So if you have the shorter rib in place like this, I'm just going to kind of pry that piece out. See that pin there? So there's our rib. The rib is out. The little pin is right here, so I'm going to grab that. Alright, so to put the rib back in place, you're just going to grab the replacement rib. You're going to stick that little pin through the hole of the end of the rib. Then we're just going to kind of put that pin in place where the hub is at right there. I'm going to lift the pin, or lift the rib, perpendicular to the hub there. And I'm just going to kind of push with a little bit of force to get the pin into place on the hub. There, it's in place. So from this point, I can tighten back up the lower hub. Again, there's 4 screws. Once I have the lower hub all tightened up, we know that that rib isn't going anywhere. Then lastly, you just have to remember to attach the longer rib to the support rib. 2 screws, one of them over here, one on the side that I'm on. So there you go. That's how you replace a rib on the lower hub of the umbrella. We'll do another video showing you how to replace a rib on the upper hub of the umbrella.